I'm going to add crayfish and also my meat stock. Here is the little meat. So I'm going to add my seasoning cube. I'm using no cube. If you are wondering why you didn't see me adding pepper, because I've already used Scotch bonnet. So I'm going to taste this along the way. If I still need to add more pepper, then I'm going to add some. This is my ayamase. I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of salt. Just give it a turn. This is the chicken. I'm going to be looking at this rib. This is lamb chop ribs. I'm going to eat this as well. Here is my beautiful ayamase. I'm going to add the chicken. I'm going to add the lamb chop ribs. This is looking good and delicious. It tastes so nice. I love this soup. Although to cut your bell pepper and every other thing is sometimes can be time consuming, but that is the difficult part of making this soup. Once the peppers are cut, so it's very easy to quick to blend, and then to make the soup is very quick and easy. Look at that. So this is my soup. Ayamase is cooking really well. Here is my local beans. I'm going to add it. I washed it. I'm going to cover it to simmer for a while. My ayamase is almost ready. Look at that, guys. I love this soup. It looks so good. Not just looks so good, but it tastes delicious as well. Oh my god, this is my favorite soup. I love it. Here is my ayamase. It's now ready. Look at that. It's so beautiful, rich, and it tastes delicious. You can have this with rice or any kind of food that you want to have it with. It will go with any dish. I hope you like this video. If you liked it, don't forget to like and give me a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Goodbye.